Creating an account on Affirm is a straightforward process that allows you to access flexible payment options for your purchases. Follow these steps to set up your account easily. Step 1. Visit the Affirm website. Go to the official Affirm website using your web browser. Look for the Sign Up or Get Started button on the homepage to begin the registration process. Step 2. Provide your information. Fill out the required fields with your personal information. This typically includes your name, email address, and phone number. Make sure to use a valid email address, as you will need it for account verification. Step 3. Create a password. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 4. Agree to terms and conditions. Read through Affirm's terms and conditions, as well as their privacy policy. If you agree to the terms, check the box indicating your acceptance. This step is necessary to proceed with the account creation. Step 5. Verify your email. After submitting your information, check your email for a verification message from Affirm. Click on the verification link provided in the email to confirm your account. Once verified, you can log in and start using your Affirm account. Now you are ready to enjoy the benefits of your new Affirm account. Follow these steps and you'll be set up in no time.